Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss about geometry. So what is geometry? The branch of mathematics that is concerned with the properties and relationship of points, lines, angles, curves, surfaces and solids, which means geometry is one part of mathematics and it is based on points, lines, angles, curves, surfaces and solids, and also the visual study of shapes, sizes, patterns and positions, which means first of all we need to know about the meaning of geometry. Geometry we can split into two parts, geo and metry. Geo and metry. Geo which means earth, metry which means measurement. Geo which means earth and metry which means measurement, right? In earth we can see lot of different shapes, right? See the image here. Here we can see lot of different shapes. Okay, so geometry, which is nothing but the study about different shapes in earth, is called geometry. Okay, அதாவது ஜியாமெட்ரினா ஒன்றும் இல்லை, ஜியோனா எர்த்துன்னு சொல்கிறோம், மெட்ரினா மெஷர்மெண்ட்டுன்னு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லைங்களா. எர்த்தில் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா டிஃப்ரெண்ட் ஷேப்ஸ் இருக்குது இல்லைங்களா. அந்த டிஃப்ரெண்ட் ஷேப்ஸை பற்றி படிக்கிறது தான் நம்ம என்னென்னு சொல்கிறோம்னா ஜியாமெட்ரின்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஓகே, now I am going to explain about lines. There are some different types of lines are there. First one is line, second one is line segment, and third one is ray, fourth one is perpendicular line, and fifth one is parallel line, and sixth one is intersecting line. Okay, I will explain this all the lines one by one. First one is line. So what is line? It has no beginning or end, which means it has no starting point and no end point. Next, second one, it continues indefinitely in both directions. Okay, அதாவது இப்போ லைன் இருக்குன்னா அதுக்கு டூ சைட்ஸ் இருக்கும் இல்லையா. அந்த டூ சைட்ஸில் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா ஃபைனட் பண்ணவே முடியாது, அது போயிட்டே இருக்கும். ஒரு லைன் ட்ரா பண்ணுறோன்னா அது அப்படியே போயிட்டே இருக்கும், அதுக்கு ஸ்டார்டிங் பாயிண்ட்டும் கிடையாது, எண்ட் பாயிண்ட்டும் கிடையாது, ரெண்டு சைடும் போயிட்டே இருக்கும். ஓகேங்களா, அது இன்டெஃபினைட், ஃபைனட் பண்ண முடியாது. ஓகேங்களா, ஃபைனட்னா டிஃபைன் பண்ண முடியும், இன்டெஃபினைட்னா அது ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ண முடியாது, அப்படியே போயிட்டே இருக்கும். ஓகேங்களா. நெக்ஸ்ட் தேர்ட் ஒன், இட் கேன் பி illustrated பை drawing arrows at each end. ஓகே, அப்போ அந்த லைன் வந்து நம்ம ஃபைனட் பண்ண முடியாது, அதனால் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம்னா ரெண்டு சைடும் ஏரோ மார்க் போட்டு ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். இது எப்படியே போயிட்டே இருக்குன்னு சொல்லி நம்ம குறிப்பிட்றதுக்கு ரெண்டு சைடும் நம்ம இப்படி ஏரோ மார்க் போட்டு காமிச்சிக்கலாம். ஓகே, திஸ் இஸ் லைன். Next, line segment. Okay, so we have already studied about what is a line. Now line segment which means one part. Segment na ஒரு பகுதி. Okay, so line segment, a part of a line is called line segment. லைனில் ஒரு பகுதி தான் line segment. So it can be finite, it can be defined, right? So it has first point, so it has beginning point and end point. So line segment has starting point and end point. Okay, so line segment has starting point and end point. Next, second one, line segment on a shape are called sides. For example, see the diagram here, triangle. Here three sides are there, right? So these three sides, which is nothing but three line segment. This is one line segment, this is one line segment, this is one line segment. Okay, this is, we can call it as sides. Okay, in shapes, this is, we can call it as sides. Okay, next third one, it can be found in many shapes, not only in triangle but also in rectangle, pentagon, hexagon. We can found line segment in many shapes. Okay, this is what line segment. Next one, ray. Ray, it has a beginning point but no end point. For example, sun rays. Sun rays, it has starting point but there is no end point, it will goes on. Okay, sun rays, it has starting point but there is no end point. Okay, therefore it can be denoted by the symbol like this. Okay, so it has starting point, there is no end point, therefore one side alone we need to apply arrow mark. Okay, one side alone we need to apply arrow mark. Okay, so this is what ray. Okay, next fourth one, parallel lines. Lines in the same plane that do not intersect or cross each other, which means suppose some lines are there in the same plane, and that all the lines, if it is not cross each other, means that lines are called parallel lines. For example, a railway track. See the railway track here. Here two lines are there. These two lines are lies in the same plane, right? These two lines are lies in the same plane, but it do not intersect each other, right? So this kind of lines are called parallel lines. Okay, next fifth one, intersecting lines. Two or more lines that meet at a point. This is too simple. If the lines are meeting each other, means that lines are called intersecting lines. Okay, the last one, perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines form a right or 90-degree angle. For example, AB one line, CD one line. Okay, AB is one line, CD is one line. If the two lines are cross each other and the intersecting point makes 90-degree, means the two lines are called perpendicular lines. Okay, if the lines cross each other and the intersecting point makes 90-degree, means the two lines are called perpendicular lines. Okay, which means AB is perpendicular to CD. It can be written as AB perpendicular to CD. Okay, this is the perpendicular symbol. This is the perpendicular symbol. Okay, so this is what perpendicular lines. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe my channel for more updates.